This video is for those of you that have not used Google Sheets before. If you've used them before, you probably don't need to watch this. So I have the Sacramento City College website up, and the way I find the Google spreadsheets is I go to Student Login, and we choose Los Rios Gmail and Google Apps. That will bring you to your login page. I'm already logged in, so I get this, which you should get after you log in. Then we go to Google Drive, and you're going to select New in the upper left here, and we want a Google Sheet. So a spreadsheet is basically it's almost like graph paper. So it's got a lot of boxes that you can enter things into. You can type a word into one of these boxes. You can use your arrows to move around. You can simply move your cursor and click. You can use your tab key. Hitting your return or enter will either bring you down the column or to the last place you tabbed there from. Anyway, you can experiment with that. Numbers can go in there. Now, these boxes are called cells, and there's a way that we can name or describe the location of a cell. And that method is reminiscent of the way we name points on the XY plane. So let's just review that quickly. So you know how any point on the XY plane, its location is described by a pair of numbers. And the first number, which we call an X, is found on the horizontal axis. The second number, which we call Y, is found on the vertical axis. So again, we describe where a point is by giving the number on the horizontal axis and then the number on the vertical axis. Well, that's very similar to the way spreadsheets work. There's a horizontal axis, although on spreadsheets the horizontal axis has letters, not numbers, and there's a vertical axis with numbers. And to describe or name any particular box, did I already tell you the boxes are called cells? Anyway, to describe any particular cell, we put in the corresponding letter from the horizontal axis and then the number from the vertical axis. We do not need parentheses or a comma between them. So this first cell is called A1. Similarly, here's a cell, and by the way, notice when I click on this cell, the column heading up on the horizontal axis gets highlighted, and so does the number that it corresponds to on the vertical axis. So that makes it really easy to see that this is cell F18.